Battery. The Atlas Pro autonomous drone comes with two intelligent flight batteries. The Atlas Pro intelligent flight battery has a capacity of 6,700 milliamperes and a smart charge-discharge functionality. The battery should only be charged when off and using an appropriate charger. Make sure that the battery is fully charged before using it for the first time. The battery will only charge when the temperature is between 5 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Battery capacity is significantly reduced when flying in low temperature, under 0 degrees Celsius, environments. Keep the battery temperature above 20 degrees Celsius to ensure optimal performance. The charger will stop charging the battery if the battery cell's temperature is not within the operating range. It is important to remove the intelligent flight battery and let it cool after each flight. Make sure to allow its temperature to drop to room temperature before storing it for an extended period. Atlas Pro.